Hi, I'm Nikhil Bansal, the Managing Director of SNB, Incepted with a motto of share customer satisfaction and building trust. We learn, grow and deliver the finest quality possible with each new day. Being founded by our chairman Mr. Srinivas Bansal in 1980, we have leaped to become the face of the industry in last 42 years. Currently, there are countless number of stainless steel manufacturers in the industry. But what sets us apart is that we have a state-of-art technology factory to produce raw material to finished product. It is a one-of-a-kind factory in India which produces from the raw material to the finished product under one roof. Each and every product made at SNB factory goes through stringent quality checks according to the international standards. Also, when we develop any product at SNB factory, we always keep in mind value for money so that our customer can get best value for his hard-earned money. At SNB, we have very strong ethical and moral values that outshines us from the other competitors in the industry. SNB has a state-of-art factory situated in Sonipat, Haryana, India that is spread over a wide area of 5 lakh square feet, and SNB keeps a stock of around 3,000 tons of material at any point of time in their factory. SNB is a family-owned business and we believe in building relationships that lasts. We are an ever-growing family with thousands of clients that have been associated with us for more than 30 years. Our journey of last 42 years has been full of fun, learning and growth. I invite you to be a part of this journey that will be full of joy and expansion. Thank you.